What's up, you guys? It's your girl Ariel, and I'm coming at you today with a quick tutorial on how to do knotless box braids. Now, this is my first time doing these, so please bear with me. And I first start off with pre-threaded strands, and I basically just get about 6 in total for each braid, and I put them to the side, and then I take it while I'm braiding. I grab one at a time and add it to each braid. Now, that's the tricky part about doing feedless, knotless braids. You have to take the hair and you have to like kind of maneuver it in to I use my thumb. That's the easiest method for me. I use my thumb and I just insert it in there and I just start braiding it down. And that's what you see me doing right now. So I'm not going to talk through the whole video, but I'm going to just show you guys how I do it. This is what works for me, and I hope you guys enjoy it. And I know at the end, well, towards the end, you're going to see like 2 parts of this, but I messed up a little bit. I had a piece sticking out, and I was like, no. So I just redid it over the whole braid, but I just wanted to add it in because it was more clear. And please, don't talk about my red skin. I just have very, very sensitive skin, so I get red from everything. So once the video is over, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks you guys for watching.